This one is light, bright, airy, and we've been inspired by that French hotel vibe.
Hi Domain, Kyal and Cara here. Welcome to our latest project, Bay Builds.
We are standing in the main bathroom of House 1 and we thought we'd show you guys where we've splurged and where we've saved. In this bathroom, I couldn't find a mirror that was exactly what I wanted because I was after that irregular shape, and we ended up getting this made by our glass supplier direct. And in the end, that was a much more cost-effective option than going for a standard mirror off the shelf.
One of the assets that we definitely splurged on was our Velux skylights. You just can't go past how much natural light they bring into a space like this and help with that really nice light and airy feeling. And the fact that they open as well helps with the ventilation. And then there is a lot of work in framing them up and actually incorporating them into this space, but it does add for a really beautiful architectural look.
I found the most amazing wall lights for this bathroom, but they were way out of my budget. So I really had to scour the internet and find another option. I found these lights, but they weren't quite the right color.
So instead of sending the metal component of these lights off to a powder coater, we actually got some metal paint and leaned into that DIY phase and painted them ourselves, and we were able to save some money there.
The twin shower is definitely a splurge in this bathroom in the champagne finish, but in our eyes, it's the main bathroom, it's the hero, it was worth the spend. So we have the big, beautiful rain shower head, and then we have the handheld, which is super practical with kids for not getting your hair wet or for cleaning the bathroom. This vanity is definitely a splurge item for us in this bathroom. This is custom oak drawers and cabinetry, and this is a Decton integrated basin. But for us, when you're walking in, it is the major thing that catches your eye, and it was definitely worth the splurge in this space.
Bathrooms are definitely one of those areas where you can spend so much money, but if you're smart, you'll find some opportunities where you can save as well.